A simple and affordable vegetable side dish for the whole family. Stir-fry mustard green with mung bean sprout. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 400 grams of mustard green or savi, 250 grams of bean sprout, 1 red chili, 2 tablespoons of crispy fried shallots, 2 tablespoons of onion oil, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. I will start with cutting the mustard green by separating the stem and the leaf and wash it. Let's cook. Heat the pan, add in all of the onion oil, wait for about 30 seconds for the oil to heat up. Add in all of the mustard green stems and half of the light soy sauce, all of the oyster sauce. Stir to mix the ingredients. Add in all of the chili and give it a stir. The mustard green stems are the hard part of the vegetable and it will take longer time to cook. Cook it for about 2 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then in between. Alright, after 2 minutes, the mustard green stems are cooked and become soft. Add in the mustard green leaf now. Give it a mix. Add in all of the bean sprout. Stir for about 1 minute or until the vegetables are incorporated. After 1 minute, the mustard green leaves are cooked and soft. It has reduced so much. The bean sprouts are also cooked. Now I can give it a taste. Delicious. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but this is already perfect. Add in some crispy fried shallots for a lovely fragrance. Give it a couple of mix and we are done. Next, dish out and serve. The stir-fry vegetable tend to release a lot of gravy after it is cooked. So I'm taking out the vegetable and leave the gravy behind so that my stir-fry vegetable will not look like soup. Top up with fried shallots. Lovely. Let's eat. Wow, delicious. This stir-fry vegetable make it suitable as a side dish for fish curry and rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.